Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this comic video on your Snapchat account by using a Snapchat filter. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So open your Snapchat account, just swipe up to open the filters. Just click on the search here. So now we just need to type as comic art style. So just type as comic here and art style. So you can find the comic art style, lot of filters here. So as I just talking about the swipe down, and you can find this filter. You can find this filter by swiping down, and you can find this filter on the, I just talking about the first show, third filter, this filter. Just click on this filter, and now you can just see the comic style, how it's look like. So it's changing my, you can see how it's look like. Everything has been changing to the comic style of filter. So you can just use this filter to create such a video, like a comic art style video. If you just needed to post on the social medias, just try this filter. It's a different and unique filter on the Snapchat, and you can just create this such type of videos by using this filters. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.